Welcome, I'm Kelsey Beach.
And I'm Susan Wasman.
We are education coordinators with the Ohio Energy Project, a nonprofit education organization serving teachers and students in Ohio for over 30 years. One of our long-term partners is American Municipal Power. With their support, we are excited to reach teachers in additional states. Are you ready to explore energy? So this lesson is about electric circuits, and we are going to be testing materials to see if they are insulators or conductors. What we want students to understand is a little bit of background information about an atom. So we have some questions on your teacher script for you to ask them that you could explore with them and go deeper into. But basically what we want them to understand is that everything is made up of matter, and matter is made of atoms, and there are different parts to an atom. The center of the atom is the nucleus, and it has the protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, and neutrons have no charge. And then circling the nucleus are the electrons, and electrons are what make electricity. So we want students to have that understanding before we delve into the insulators, conductors, and circuits. So after they have grasped that, then you would move into the activity. So to begin, everybody, if you so choose and register, you'll get an energy baton or an energy stick. How the energy stick works is there's a battery, light, and sound maker inside, and right now the circuit is open, right? But you can make a complete circuit by touching both ends of the silver band. And what is happening is that your body, the moisture of your skin, is making that circuit complete, because we are conductors. So basically, you could show them this and show them how you have a closed circuit and an open circuit.
Can you do it with more than one person?
I think so.
Let's try. Pretty cool.
Yeah. So and they can just touch one finger. You don't even have to touch. Yeah, pretty cool.
They'll like that.
Yes, they will. So so next is you would want to test insulators and conductors. And insulators resist or prevent the flow of electricity, and conductors allow the electrons to flow. So we have a variety of materials here, and we want to make a hypothesis about whether these materials will be insulators or conductors. So we will make our hypothesis, and then we will test each one and see if we're correct.
Sounds good.
All right. So Susan, which one would you like to do first?
I like the spoon.
Okay.
And I think the spoon is going to be a conductor.
Okay. So we will
I'm going to
see.
leave our chart down here so
Perfect.
we can put things on it.
All right. You are correct.
Okay.
All right.
So then let's do the other spoon while we're at it.
Good idea.
And
Negative.
negative.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't predict. It is an insulator. All right. I'm going to try this paper clip, and I think this paper clip is an insulator.
All right. Let's try.
No, I learned something new.
conductor.
So it's a conductor, and I'm going to put it on that part of the chart. I think this rubber eraser is an insulator.
You are correct.
Good job. I think this wooden stick is an insulator.
Okay. Correct again.
Got it. I think penny, because it's metal, is probably a conductor.
All right. You are right.
How about paper insulator?
Yep. There you go.
Plastic straw. Plastic, I would say, would be an insulator.
You are correct.
And this piece of fabric,
What do you think?
insulator.
There you go.
The rubber band, insulator.
There you go. Next, we're going to try glass and then water in the glass and see if those are insulators or conductors. So let's start with the outside
Okay.
of the glass. Susan, what do you think? Will it be
I
an
think
insulator?
the glass is an insulator.
Okay, let's try. She is correct.
All right.
And then we're going to try the water inside, and you want to make sure that students don't touch their fingers together or the edge of the glass, that they're only touching the water. And there you go.
Okay.
And so water is a really good conductor. And this is one of the questions for students is why do lifeguards clear the pool when a thunderstorm approaches? And they have just proved their answer there. So once you've tested all of your materials, we would encourage students to try things around the room, things that they're curious about or that they have questions about, to see if they're insulators or conductors.
So for example, my coffee cup, if I touch this part down here, insulator, and
Yep.
that's good because it wants my beverage inside to stay warm.
Yeah, so
But
now I
if
want
we
to try
check
mine.
this water bottle on top, it's a conductor, but if I go down here, it's also a conductor. Interesting.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we want them to explore other areas of the room as well. And then at the end, we have some questions for them to consider to help them kind of summarize the lesson. So one of those is describe why utility workers wear rubber sleeves, gloves, and boots. And from the lesson, they would know that those materials are good insulators, so it would prevent them from being electrocuted on the job, on their dangerous job. So those are all on the teacher worksheet that you would receive if you sign up. And that is the insulator and conductor lesson. So thank you so much for watching. For American Municipal Power Communities outside of Ohio, please complete the form to receive the supplies and refer to the handouts linked below. For teachers in Ohio AMP communities, please register for one of our grade level professional development workshops this summer. Thank you to AMP for their support of Ohio Energy Project, and we hope you enjoy sparking curiosity about energy in your classroom.